Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream and onion sauce. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 medium onion, 2 tablespoons of butter, and a splash of olive oil. Don't forget your seasonings: salt, black pepper, and a touch of garlic powder. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. This simple list ensures a delicious base for your sauce. Now let's get those onions cooking. In a medium saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Once the butter is shimmering, add your finely diced onions. Stir them frequently, allowing them to soften and become translucent. This process usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. The goal is to caramelize them slightly, which develops a rich, sweet flavor that is crucial for our sauce. With your onions perfectly sautéed, it's time to add the cream. Carefully pour in 1 cup of heavy cream. Reduce the heat to low and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, not a rolling boil. Stir continuously to prevent the cream from sticking to the bottom or scorching. Now, season your sauce with about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper. Taste and adjust as needed for your preference. Let your sauce gently simmer for another 3 to 5 minutes, allowing it to thicken to your desired consistency. It should coat the back of a spoon nicely. Once it's ready, remove it from the heat and stir in some fresh chopped chives for a burst of color and flavor. This cream and onion sauce is perfect over pasta, chicken, or vegetables. For more great tips and deals, including a fantastic book on personal finance, check the description below. Enjoy your delicious homemade sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.